Docker Inspect provides detailed information on constructs controlled by Docker. In this video, we'll see how to use Docker Inspect with Docker objects, containers, images, networks, and volumes. By default, Docker Inspect will render results in a JSON array. To inspect a container, you can type docker container inspect and the name or the ID of the container. And we see a bunch of information about this container. Of course, we don't need to memorize them all, but we see the environment variables, the configuration, and other details that might be useful, especially during debugging. For the image, the command is very similar. Don't mind the dangling images here. To inspect the image, you can type docker image inspect and the name of the image with the tag. And we can see the layers of the image, again, the environment variables, and more details. To inspect a network, you can type docker network inspect and the name of the network. We can inspect the default network's bridge host known or a custom one. And we can see the details of the network. Very useful this containers object to double check if two containers can find each other. Here we can see flask_up and db, they are on the same network. If we type docker ps-a, we can see that both containers are up and running, but this doesn't guarantee by default that the containers can find each other. In this case, inspecting the network is probably a good idea. To inspect a volume, here we only have one, we can type docker volume inspect and the name of the volume. And we can see some information about this volume. In this case, very useful, the month point, the real directory connected to this volume.